Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Windows 11 security updates with Windows Update, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, click on the Start menu located in the bottom left corner of your screen. From the Start menu, select the gear icon to open Settings. In the Settings window, click on Update and Security. Now, on the left sidebar, choose Windows Update. In the Windows Update section, click on Check for Updates. Windows will now search for available updates, which may take a moment. If updates are found, they will appear on your screen. Click the Download button to start downloading the security updates. Once the download is complete, you may see an Install button. Click the Install button to begin the installation process. Your computer might need to restart to complete the installation. If prompted, select Restart Now to reboot your system. After the restart, Windows will finalize the installation of the updates. Once Windows loads, you can return to the Windows Update section to confirm that the updates have been successfully installed. You may see a notification indicating that your device is up to date. If needed, repeat the process to check for any additional updates. Ensure that your device remains connected to the internet during this process. Regularly updating your system helps maintain security and performance. If you encounter any issues, review the error messages or consult the Windows Update troubleshooter. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.